Welcome back to the Elanix AI YouTube channel, where we help you save money, time, and avoid the headache. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can build your own custom chatbot in a very short amount of time and then implement it into WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever platform you choose, even your own website. So let's get straight into it. As you can see right now, we're in Agentive. Agentive is software that allows you to build these agents quite easily and then deploy them within minutes. So we're going to get started. We're going to come to home. All the links will be in the description, by the way. We're going to come to home. After you log in and create an account, you'll have your dashboard over here, and we're going to go create new agent. Okay, so now we come up with an agent name and a description. For the sake of this video, I don't know if you can see my shirt. It's actually like a pizza shirt. I want to show you the design. So we're going to be doing a pizza shop chatbot. So let's just call this Joe's Pizza. This chatbot answers FAQs, frequently asked questions for the business. So this is helpful if you have a business where a lot of people are coming in asking you questions, whether you do a service business. I think something like a pizza shop, maybe pool cleaners. We serve dentists, even some financial companies that some projects we're working on. So answers FAQs and helps customers. Then you're gonna want to get your OpenAI key. How you do this basically is you're gonna go to OpenAI platform. And you're going to get your OpenAI key and your organizational I key. I'll put the link in the description as well. It's fairly straightforward. If you really want to use this in your business or for your personal use, I recommend putting at least $5 into your OpenAI account, and that'll be more than enough to run the operations of the chatbot. So I got my API key right here. You can choose your LLM that you like to choose. Doesn't really matter right now. I'll just do the standard GPT-4o. I'm going to click create agent. Agent created. So now we're in our canvas where we're going to put in the prompts. We can insert the tools we want our chatbot to use. So like booking appointments, etc. But this is going to be a simple chatbot. So to help you out, I've come up with a general prompt which can be used for any business, any niche. And all you have to do is take it from the top to the bottom, like 6 pages. There, copy it and then put it into ChatGPT. Now the cool thing about the prompt that I designed for you is that it comes with fail-safe techniques as well. So that stops people from trying to trick the AI to get into your system. Some things that a lot of guys aren't really thinking about, because with certain chatbots, if you don't build it securely, people can prompt it to give away passwords and all sort of these type of things. So you kind of have to be careful. So once you paste the document, which will be in the description, you paste it into ChatGPT, go to the top, and you're going to just ask GPT, use this as a and use it for a local pizza shop called Joe's Pizza. I think that could actually just be enough. Let's enter, let's see what it comes up with. And now it's just going to rewrite or fill in the gaps of the general blank template and rework it into something we can actually use for Joe's Pizza. Pretty cool. So as you can see right now, it's actually coming up with business hours, how to answer if customers asking about delivery, and it's happening very quickly. So this is going to be changing the game for people that want to save time, save headache in their business, and have this chatbot that's able to handle all the mundane, repetitive work. And I just think it's really useful. So once the thing is done rewriting the prompt, we're going to copy that and paste it into the prompt section of our chatbot. Alright, After that, we can pretty much deploy it and you're done, you're set to go. Okay, and yeah, if you want me to do a video on prompt engineering, we have some examples which are probably one of the most important things, as well as some do's and don'ts, things like your tone, behavior. And you have to remember the AI is like a baby. We have to tell it everything it needs to know so it can do the best job possible. So there we go. I think it completed the prompt. We're going to go all the way to the top, up to agent name, and then we're going to paste it here. And then we can actually come up with a personal name for the chatbot. I see with our clients that works where the chatbot has an actual human name instead of chatbot. So if this is Joe's Pizza, we could call the chatbot maybe Johnny. So hi, this is okay. That's pretty cool. So now everything is pasted into the prompt. The next section is the knowledge base, right? Knowledge base is important because this will actually be the brain of the AI, and the AI will reference this every time it's talking to a customer. So we're going to switch that on. And the cool thing you could do is from this prompt, since you have the prompt for the chatbot, you can actually generate a knowledge base. Of course, if you already have one, you would have a PDF of all your company's information. Just upload it there. But for this example video, I'll just generate one. So okay, so now what I've done is I put into the prompt, after feeding it the template and after the GPT has rewritten the templates with the business of your choice, I've just asked it to generate a knowledge base from the above prompt. And like I said, if this is for your existing business, then you would have a PDF of your company's information, the operating times, your FAQs, etc. But for this example, and if you want to just test this out, ask GPT to do the same, generate a knowledge base for you. So I've added general base. So here it is, here's the knowledge base, right? I'm gonna go here, all the way. Okay, this thing's calling it Chatbot. I don't really want Chatbot. But we're gonna go into Google Docs, blank document, and we're gonna paste that in, right? I don't want it to be called Chatbot. Okay, let's call this Joe's knowledge base. Now you download this as a PDF. Okay, once that's downloading, we go to create new, and we can call this Joe's Pizza. Elanix AI key, create. Perfect. Okay, so now it's going to upload the PDF into the knowledge base. Yeah, I will be able to reference that whenever there's a question or problem. Upload. Okay, so now we have the knowledge base set up, we have the prompt set up. Tools is something that is a little more advanced, but as you can see, there's a lot of potential here, so I'll definitely be making a video experimenting with tools and seeing what we can do with it. But right now, we're able to test this actually. Let's just say hey to Johnny over here and see what happens. Hi, this is Johnny. Okay. What time do you close? Let's ask it, common question. What time do you close? Let's see how it answers that. The first message, there we go, we close at 10 p.m. I would add to the prompt here. As you can see, the first message is a lot of information that the chatbot is kind of split out at the customer. So I would just add into the prompt here, do not include too much in your answer, you know. But this is still very good. I think this serves its purpose well. What is your delivery? We don't even have to phrase a question the best. We can just ask it, what is your delivery? And it's going to generate an answer for us. And there you go. So the chatbot is working, answering questions, everything within 10 minutes. And I think a couple years back, this would have taken a lot of money and a lot of time. So now we can go into deploy. Let's first publish it. Yes, sure. Deploy. And now we get to the deployment stage. You have a variable amount of options you can use: Instagram, WhatsApp, Discord, Telegram, and then your own website, of course. And you can also generate Python code or JavaScript code that you can use to implement. So yeah, I'll probably make videos on each of these deployment methods because when I first started out, those were a bit tricky to understand. But there's another guide video right here actually. But chatbot is ready to deploy. You deploy it to the site of choice, and boom, you got a working chatbot. I hope this helped. All the links will be in the description, as well as the knowledge base I used, the general prompt I used, which you can chop and change for whatever you need to use it for. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.